What's up, guys? Welcome to your 125th Android tutorial for the new Boston. What we're going to do in this tutorial, we're going to learn about the accelerometer, or at least get our class set up for the most part. So what we want to do is we want to create a new class called Accelerate, and what we're going to do is we're going to extend the activity as always, and we're also going to implement something called the sensor event listener, and that's going to be basically our sensor of our accelerometer. So let's go into our activity, import that, and our sensor, we got to import that and also add the unimplemented methods. So as you can see, on accuracy change and on sensor change are two methods that we implement from the sensor event listener. We're also going to set up just our our onCreate method. Hit OK. So we got that stuff set up. We also want, basically where this accelerometer class is going to be drawing to the screen, drawing a ball to the screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our graphics surface class, and within here, if you guys remember, we set up a inner class called myBringBackSurface, which extends the surface view and the runnable. So what we're going to do, we're just going to copy this whole class, myBringBackSurface, copy that, and then we're going to go into our Accelerate class and paste it there. So we got some errors. We're actually just going to delete kind of everything within our canvas where we draw to it. And we are good to start with the tutorial. Probably that's going to be it for this tutorial, just getting everything for the most part set up. And so once we copy that, all we're going to do is go into our onCreate method, and we're going to say set content view to a new new myBringBackSurface. BringBackSurface, and we're going to pass in the context of this. Alright, so now we have our class set up. Pretty much everything is good to go, and probably going to end the tutorial here, just getting everything again set up. So I'll catch you guys later, and have a good one.